Hey guys! Welcome back to PhotoCut. In today's video, we're going to see how to cut out images using Photoshop. First, load the image in Photoshop. Then click on the Select Subject option. After that, click on the Selection tool and click on the Select and Mask option. After that, under the Output settings, select New Layer with Layer Mask. But there's an even easier way you can do this. By just using your phone. Start by downloading the PhotoCut app, using the link provided in the description below. After installing the app, open it to discover its numerous features. It's designed to boost your creative potential, in ways you never thought were possible with a mobile app. Begin by selecting the Magic Cutout feature. You will then have the option to choose an existing photo from your gallery, or capture a new one. For this tutorial, I will use the same photo. Now PhotoCut's advanced AI technology takes over. It operates swiftly and efficiently, eliminating the need for any manual intervention on your part. And just like that, your image is cut out, leaving it ready for any creative endeavor you have in mind. However, PhotoCut's offerings don't stop there. When exporting your edited photo, you can choose between PNG and JPG formats. Moreover, PhotoCut ensures that you don't have to compromise on quality. It allows you to select your preferred resolution to guarantee that your photo remains sharp and vibrant in any setting. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Also, don't forget to take your photo editing to the next level by downloading the PhotoCut app. Available now on both the Play Store and App Store. Click the link in the description to download PhotoCut and start creating stunning images today. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.